Okay, here's a unboxing video of both the Bessy 3/4 inch pipe clamp and the Pittsburgh 3/4 inch pipe clamp from Harbor Freight. Both have the legs. So, see how they compare to each other. I don't have any pipe right now, but this will just be a comparison of how high they sit and just how smooth the crank is on them. So here we go. First up will be the one from Harbor Freight, Pittsburgh. Alright, so there's the Harbor Freight. Seems actually pretty smooth. There's a release on it. So that's a Harbor Freight. Okay, let's have a look at the Bessy here. Packaging's definitely better on the Bessy. Okay, so first up, one difference is this one does have the plastic sleeves that go over the here for protection on the wood. Both removable. Actually, the crank on them seems to be very, very similar in how smooth it is. Neither of them bind at all. Now, if you look at this, this was one thing I was wondering about. The Bessy it definitely is taller than the Pittsburgh. So, that's kind of a bummer. I was kind of hoping that they'd be the same, then I could utilize both at the same time. But, I guess I still can if I only use two, but if I were to put another one in there, like in the middle, I'd have to prop up the Harbor Freight one. They definitely both seem pretty smooth, but let's see if I can get a little clip on that. And you can see that it's son of a But yeah, it definitely is taller, so I guess as long as you're only using 2 of them at the same time, then you should be good. But or unless I might have to build a little thing to prop up the Harbor Freight one to make it the same size. But anyway, I think both will be okay. But yeah, that's it. Thanks.